friends, this is Miss Muller. We are doing Purple Sort 23 this week, and we're focusing on short I and long I with short O and long O. So our headers this week are short I with vowel, consonant, consonant, long I, vowel, consonant, consonant, and then we have short O, VCC, and long O, VCC. And then we'll have a word in our oddball column this week. So the first column I want you to look at is the short I, vowel, consonant, consonant. And the first word I want you to find is film. 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 A movie that you watch or somewhere you go to see, you might see a film. It's a movie. Or there could be a film on the window, which might be a layer of, a layer on the window that makes it hard to see. It's got a film on it. The next word I want you to find is fist. I want you to find the word fist. F-I-S-T. Fist. When you close your fingers all together, you make a fist with your hand. And the next word is wind. Wind. W-I-N-D. Like the wind outside. The next column is long I. Vowel, consonant, consonant. And I want you to find the word find. F-I-N-D. Find. You hear that I sound. I says its name in this vowel. The next word I want you to find is wild. Wild. Something is wild. It's crazy. The next word I want you to find is child. The next word I want you to find is kind. K-I-N-D. If you are nice and you are generous, you are kind. I want you to go ahead and find the word mind. Mind. If you have something on your mind, you're thinking about something. The next word I want you to find is blind. Blind. And the last word, look at this word. I want you to, whoops, sorry about that. I want you to look at this next word. Doesn't that look like wind? This is actually wind. So we have wind and wind spelled exactly the same, mean two different things. One has a short I, one has a long I. So it's wind. W-I. You want to make that I say its name. So we have find, say them with me. Wild, child, kind, mind, blind, and wind. Our next column is short O. So we have lost, lost. It's our helper word. That O says lost. Then we have the word moth. Moth is a type of bug. We have the word soft, soft. And we have the word cost, cost. Something costs something, it requires money. And then we have the long O sound. So our helper word for this column is most. Most of us would like to go to the store, which means the majority of us would like to. Not everyone, but most of us. The next word I want you to find is told. Told. The next word I want you to find is both. 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 The next word I want you to find is roll. If you roll the dice in a math game, you can roll the dice. The next word I want you to find is scold. Now, scold means to like yell at someone and be angry with them. If I yell at you and say, you should have never done that, that is scolding you. So I will scold you. The next word I want you to find is gold. Gold. Gold could be a color. The next word I want you to find is post. Post. The next word I want you to find is ghost, and it has that silent H, g, oast. ghost. You hear that O say its name. And the last word in this column is cold. O. That O says its name. Let's say these together. Most, told, both, roll, scold, gold, post, ghost, and cold. The next column is an oddball, and we have one word left, and that word is friend. So we have the I in here, but it's not heard for end. It's kind of a silent I. It's not a long I. It's not a short I. You hear the E in friend, so it doesn't follow any of the rules, and therefore it's an oddball. Nice job today, friends.